skies without rain, or a life untouched by pain. But I promise to stand through the storm, to hold you when the night feels long.
I won't be perfect, but I'll be true, and every day I'll choose you. Not just in joy, but when it's hard, I love you with my whole heart.
This is my vow before the King, to love you more than anything, to walk in grace, to serve, forgive, to lay down self so love can live.
I give you all, not just for now, for every breath. This is my vow.
When time has worn our faces thin, and years have carved their lines within, I'll still be reaching for your hand, still walking where the Savior stands. Through every high and every fall, I'll love you through it, give my all. Not just emotion, but sacred choice, led by God's unfailing voice.
This is my vow before the King, to love you more than anything, to walk in grace, to serve, forgive, to lay down self so love can live. Through fire, through flood, I won't back down. I'm yours forever. This is my vow.
This is my vow.
When children watch the way we love, may they see Christ guiding us. And when the world begins to fade,
We'll still be faithful, still be brave.
I'll lift you up when hope feels low, and plant my roots so love can grow. Until I breathe my final sound, I'll still be here. This is my vow. This is my vow, not just in word, but in the life and love you've heard. I'll rise with you, I'll fall with you, I'll chase the cross, I'll hold what's true, till heaven comes and we shall bow. I'll still be yours. This is my